Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hope everyone good, healthy, stay at home happily. I have some small message for you. Yes, you can read it. Good habit for children. Good habit and manners. For whom? For the children. I know you're brushing, but brush nicely. Brush your teeth twice daily, morning and before going to the bed possible. And next, take 3 meals in a day: breakfast, lunch, dinner. Okay, it's good for your health. Go to school on time, but now the problem is coming. So go to school on time means you should same time maintain. You wake up like you're going to the school and sit in front of the laptop or system exact 8 o'clock. That 8 o'clock in the classroom your class will start it. Okay, so it's mean go to school on time means you should wake up, everything do fast, and sharp 8 o'clock you will sit like you are sitting in the school. Okay, so nowadays the problem is coming to go outside. So whenever you go outside, don't hurry. After a long time you are going outside, cross road at zebra crossing. It's related to the science also. Okay, share your toys. Now you are at home, you share with your sister and brother. Okay dear, if you share toys means it's not compulsory toys. If you have sister you will share, if you don't have sister you are not sharing. Share whatever you are eating, share the biscuit with your parents, share chocolate with your parents. If you are drinking some water, after you are finishing drinking, take little water and share with your mother or father. Okay dear, sharing means everything sharing, not particular one thing. Comb your hair daily. School is not there, don't think, but whether your hair is big or small, just comb your hair and comb your hair and see, show your parents, then they will say to you they will say some comments. Okay, like beautiful, very good, keep it up. Respect your teacher. When I am the teacher, I am not in front of you, but you don't think I am not in front of you. Think, just imagine 100% you know me very well. You are in you was in first class, but now you are in second class. You know me very well, right? So respect your teacher, every teacher, and respect your parents. Okay dear student, respect each and everybody. Whether your neighbor is there, respect the neighbor, respect the teacher, respect the parents, and drink a lot of pure water. Okay dear students, now we will come to the Islamic study. First chapter already completed, Alhamdulillah. Second lesson also completed. Now your turn to learn and complete in the copy. Okay dear students, if any questions, problem, you can ask me. See, this much you are listen. Will believe in the existence of Allah. These the points already I typed in previous class, I explained to you. Okay, this much your lesson. Now come new words. New words: believe, existence, creator, everything deserve worship, perfect qualities, universe, almighty. Okay, so please by heart the spellings and write in the copy. More important, you should keep in your mind. Okay, now come to the question answers. Your first question is, who is Allah? Everybody knows, alhamdulillah, because here he is the creator of everything. He is Lord of everything, and he is the excellent. He has the excellent power. Okay, this first question, the 3 points are there. So this is first question and 3 points are there. The answer is finished. So now come to the second answer. Can you able to read this? Every sentence and every letters, words? Yeah, okay. I can hear you. Is there any God other than Allah? No, there is no God, but only Allah is there. So our answer is, there is no God but Allah. Now come to the third question. Why do we worship Allah? Because Allah is alone deserve to be worshipped. Okay, dear students, we worship the only Allah. What is a Muslim required to do? A Muslim required to do what Allah asks us to do. Okay, us to do or him us to do what Allah us to do. Ask us to do. Okay, dear student. Now this is the mark. Right, put if the sentence correct, after sentence make the bracket and put right. If the sentence is wrong, cross, because before I gave the full lessons. Allah is the Lord of universe. Tick and cross. Okay, please complete this also in the copy and use the color pencil for tick and cross. Make the brackets with color pencils also. Okay, dear. And this also please complete in your copy. Fill in the blanks, giving the already helping words here. Worship Allah, creator alone, Allah. Okay, everyone. There is no God except dash. Allah is the dash of everything. Dash is perfect in all his qualities. Only Allah deserve our dash. We worship only. We worship Allah. Yes. I think you enjoy my class. Alhamdulillah. It's so easy. Don't think I have more work. You getting the time also. Only 2 classes in 1 week. Okay, dear. So please complete. You think half work you do when I explain, and half work you think I'm giving the homework. You decide which one during the class, during the explanation you will complete, on which work half work you will complete the after this lecture. So I hope you are doing on time each and every work. So please and please and please complete your work, learn, and I am so thanks for your supporting parents and students. You are doing the work perfectly. Please complete your work, learn the question answer, hard words, everything. Okay dear. So now I am leaving. Thank you so much. Bye. We will meet in next class. Thank you. Bye bye.